In a voxpop at the 2022 Semiofest, the Mexican semiotics professor Roman Esqueda related an interesting anecdote about a semiotics congress with 10 semioticians to design students. One design student asked them all, "Why? If you are experts on semiotics, no one understands what you are saying." That was when Esqueda realised semioticians needed to do something different. In a strange parallel, in 2013, I attempted to communicate Peirce's semiotic theory for the first time. This was at a talk to design teams at the User Experience Professionals Association, Scotland. In my anxiety at only beginning to understand Peirce's semiotic theory, I made an embarrassing error in front of these design professionals. I assumed that I was the Dumbo in the room, about to talk to an informed audience on a well understood topic.